Hello everybody, today we're going to be applying,
so I know what I'm doing.
today we're going to be applying, what is that called?
Dressing. Move your hands.
Well, you're going to cut out the sound?
Huh?
You're going to cut the sound out?
Oh, probably. What's the point of this sound?
Why do you think
In today's tire dressing comparison, we have the CarPro Perl versus Turtlewax Jet Black. But first, I'm off to clean those tires. Now that the tires are clean, let's compare the two dressings. CarPro Perl on one side and Turtlewax Jet Black on the other. The Perl is a water-based dressing, which means it can be diluted to vary the level of shine, but that also means durability is only going to be a couple weeks at best. The cost here, $18 for a 17-ounce container, and that is $106 per ounce. The Jet Black is an acrylic-based dressing, which means essentially it's a paint. Now, I would be careful about splashing this on your driveway, as it's going to be quite difficult to get off. And in that, the durability, according to the box at least, is about 1 year. Now, the cost, $10 for an 8-ounce container of the dressing itself, but that also comes with cleaner and an applicator. So total cost is $1.25 per ounce. On to the application. CarPro Perl first, and it is diluted 1:1. Both of these are applied with their own foam applicator, and I did 2 coats of each, waiting about 15 minutes between coats. Moving on to Turtlewax Jet Black. This one was more difficult to apply than the Perl, just because I felt like I had to work it into the tire more, but still not bad, pretty straightforward. Now that we have 2 coats of each, let's move on to the aftershots. It's been about 12 hours since we applied the coats, and a little shiny, a little patchy on the CarPro side. This one's actually a little streaky. For the initial shots, I'll let you be the judge. To me, the Perl is more of a dark black versus the Jet Black being a more shiny black. This is the 1-week update after 3 days of rain. I'll leave you with some B-roll to see close-ups of these two dressings, but I will say the rain did take some shine off the Perl. At 2 weeks, the Jet Black is still going strong, still nice and shiny. The Perl, though, looks very dull, almost like it's completely gone. So something that I found interesting is if I swipe, pretty clean for the most part. If I swipe this, that's not clean. I decided to wash the tires, and as I rinsed, to my surprise, the Perl was still beating water, which means it's still there, just doesn't really look like it when it's dry. I was washing using Chemical Guy's washing gloss, as this is typical if I'm washing as normal, and after the wash, the results are more or less similar as before. The Jet Black mostly retaining its gloss, while the Perl is now looking very dull, and for me, this would be the time to reapply the tire dressing for the Perl side. So at this point, the comparison is over, with the winner being Jet Black from Turtlewax. Just for the fun of it though, I decided to see how can I take this off the tire. And to my surprise, this stuff is like glue. In fact, after washing it and brushing it and washing it and agitating it, it started to look like glue a little bit, but eventually I was able to get it off. So this is definitely a long-term type dressing. If that's what you're looking for in a dressing, hey, give Turtlewax Jet Black a try. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Amazon affiliate links in the description below. Clicking those will help the channel out. Have a good one. See you next time.